friends, I've come to talk with you again, because your vision softly creeping left the seat while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone down the streets of cobblestone, with the halo of the street lamp. I turned my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were turned by the flash of a neon light that split the night and taught the sound of silence. In the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share, and no one dare disturb the sound of silence. Who said you do not know? Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you, take my heart that I might reach you, but my words, like silent raindrops, fell. No one else, it echoes in the wells of silence, and the people bowed and prayed to the neon godly name, and the sign flashed out his words warning, and the words that I was for me, and the signs that the words of the prophets are written on the flickering walls, and telling home and whisper the sound of silence. Sound of silence.